Fresno County, sadly, has some of the highest caseloads and the lowest salaries for county employees. It's not just the DA's office. And so the people that work here really come to serve. And I think that being in this building every day makes the people that work here for maybe the lower salaries and that work the higher caseloads know that the county has invested in them and that they are appreciated as employees. The place that we came from was not conducive to a positive work environment sometimes, and we just really are so happy to be here. Some of the things that we're so happy to have are just commonplace, really. We're happy to have a little kitchen area to make coffee. Now lawyers have private offices. Most of them, some double up, but most have their own private offices so that they can concentrate on their work and get their work done. I think the thing that we're most proud of, the sort of the crown jewel, if you will, of the building is definitely on the second floor, and it's the children's room, which we call the Family Justice Conference Room. And it's a room where families can go and children can be in there and some teenagers. It's a very happy place, very colorful. So that they can relax. So whether investigators and prosecutors are interviewing a child who has been victimized in another conference room and the family can stay in there, or the child is being interviewed, in that room, creating an environment for them where they feel safe is really the key to sort of seeking that truth that they need to share with us. And the other thing that we're very proud of is we have two support dogs now who also live and work on that floor, and they provide so much support for the children. It's amazing to see, just if you've never seen it happen, where a child is very closed off and afraid, and then we bring the dogs in and all of a sudden they relax and they share with us some of the information that's relevant to the case. And so those are the things that we're really proud of. We're located close to the courthouse. Our prosecutors have close access to not only the probation department, but the public defender's office. And I think that just being here in this building sort of grounds all of us to keep us focused on what our duty is and who we are here to serve. So I think it's very appropriate for the DA's office to be here because we've been in office since 1856, and we are the chief law enforcement office in the county, and especially today where public safety and law enforcement has become such an integral part of really what makes a county and what specifically makes Fresno a good place to live. We have to remember that the purpose of us being here is for the one goal of the betterment of Fresno. And I think that because we are not, sort of in an environment that was very cluttered and looked very, disorganized, and I think that we have better interaction with our victims and with our witnesses. We have a lot higher morale here with our employees, and I think that because all of those things together increase they just increase their mood and their spirit, and so we're able to better serve when we have this environment here to work in.